Hello, it's Gerry Lewy again, and now we're going to use my 006 round burr to make a little round trough inside that little rectangle space I have saved from my rough cutting. And I'm trying to be looking at the piece of silver as well as looking through the camera. I don't want you to miss anything. So here we go. Wish me luck. Sure you can see it here. This is where I did the cutting. Straight across. This is so important, it's ridiculous. I'm going to go a bit deeper. 3 times and go back and forth, back and forth. Use my little 3-in-1 oil to lubricate the burr. Keep it from overheating. Even if your burr is not turning properly, throw it away, get another one. This is so critical, this juncture. I will not be doing any bright cutting, not until I get all of this work done. Because if let's say I did some bright cutting and I finished everything and my burr is going to run on and slip over the edge, it's going to ruin the bright cut. Finish. And that's not a nice thing to have done. How deep will I go? I will go as deep as the round burr head is going to be right below the surface. In other words, I don't want to see the fellow open it. If I change it at an angle, I don't want to see that round burr protruding through the surface. I want to have it right inside the trough. Go as deep as I can. What I'm doing now is making a trough to make the beads, or the little claws. Is this hard? Yeah, this is a bit difficult. You gotta really look at what you're doing. Sometimes when I'm concentrating, I forget to breathe, and that's not a nice thing to have done. Go to the other side. As you can see here, they're all nicely pre-cut before I did the filming. Since we're working on a very small area, I'm going to use my round burr extensively. Now, to make those 4 little beads, I'm going to use my very thin, narrow onglet number 1 and cut downwards in this configuration. From the top down to the bottom. You'll watch in a minute. Let me just finish this. This is sculpturing or sculpting, or whatever you want to call it. Remove that silver so you can see what you're doing. Going to get my thumb pad. I don't want to damage my finger. Now I'm going to go throw these burrs away. I don't need them. They're interfering with my line of sight. I'm going now and cut a vertical line. It's hard to do it this way because I got a camera right beside my left arm. But trust me, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to cut down. This is very difficult. I'm going to resort to the round burr again. Oh, sorry, I have my finger in the way. This is is very difficult. Navigating with a camera right beside my face, my fingers, concentrating what I'm doing. Don't do this at home. Now if I had a large burr like a 007, I wouldn't be able to get inside here. So that's why I'm using a 006. Can you see all this intricate carving? It's going down like an X, across, straight down and going across. Now, what you can see are the beginnings of little 4 prongs. Make sure you can see it all. It's getting out of focus again, darn. You got little prongs being formed. Now you can see why I didn't bright cut, because if I did, I'll be having burr marks on all of the bright cutting areas. So when this is finished, then I will go back and bright cut. Okay, we'll see that. This is a bit hard to visualize on a camera. But now I have to do this on all the sides, all over. I'm going to do this on my own. And this is what happens. Now we're going to get little 4 little posts. Then I'm going to do my bright cutting extensively from one side into the other. Using different gravers. You can see I started the bright cut. I stopped. And how far over am I going to go? Just about halfway. Then I'm going to bright cut on the inside. So this will be, half of it will be removed. Here's a better job. Here. I'm going to bright cut here and there. And when I'm finished bright cutting, I can put my onglet number 2 right side of the cutting blade from one end to the other. And it's going to shine like a mirror. Trust me. See you soon.